I need to go to the shop to get my hair done for? In today's video, I'll be showing you how I received this super easy, silky, bone straight 22 bust down. What's up guys? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name is Kia and welcome back to another video. On my channel, I talk all things hair, unboxing, lifestyle, and more. If you're interested in those things, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love for you to stick around and hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I upload. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, I cut my hair. Can you tell? It feels so good.
I've been gone for too long, in a faraway land, trying to find my way in. they belong. Coming up with a plan, somewhere I can begin. Memories of my hometown keep crawling back in my head. My hometown, been around the world all this time, still couldn't match how we felt. How we felt. I can't wait to get home. 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 Nothing else can compare. On my way, I'll be there. Sunshine like a heavenly oasis. I can feel the love from the familiar faces. The sound of my homeland. She calling, I'm all in. Been traveling the globe for a while and I had a good time, but memories of my hometown keep crawling back in my head. Been around the world all this time, still couldn't match how we felt. How it felt. I can't wait to get home. 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 Carry the roots in my soul. Feel the heat of the sun. This is where I was born. Music in the air of the night. By the sound of the drums, where the rhythm begun.
I'm done. So glad to be done. I got a really good cut. Some bad. It's water. It's water. Oh, it smells so good. The wow is doing it. The wow is doing it. The wow is doing it. Look at how silky and shiny. Look at it. Girl, what I need to go to the shop to get my hair done for? I don't know if y'all can see my flyaways. Alfalfa. Hair is shiny. It smell good. It look good. It feel good. Let's finish this other section. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love for you to stick around. I'm back. I've straightened my hair tens and thousands of times and I've never received these results. 1000% recommend. So I don't know if it was the Olaplex. So I used the Olaplex hair serum. So to walk you through my process start to finish, I washed and blow dried my hair with the Bond Bar shampoo and conditioner. And then I did a deep conditioner treatment with Mazzani, and I'll have all the products listed below. Mazzani hair mask, and I did a video on that video. I did an unboxing of me receiving that product. I'll be sure to have that linked up above. Then I came to you guys, and then I used both of these to blow dry my hair, and I really think that helped me achieve these results. My hair feels so good, and I recently just cut like 3 to 4 inches off at my last hair appointment because it needed to go, and this fresh cut helped my hair look the way that it is. So yeah. Oh, and for the flat iron, I use this Baby Bliss flat iron. Love this. I believe this is the 1 inch. All right guys, that does it for today's video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click that notification bell so that you don't miss when I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video.